Well, here we see our baby is working hard. Yeah, he's gonna be 6 this October. He loves working here. There is small garden. Now he is collecting soil and he is very keen to come to the garden every morning. He insists me on taking him to this room every morning and it's to be done so early. So this is the month of fasting but I could not sleep. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes he digs the soil, again he sows the seeds, he waters the plants, and now you collected the soil. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Tell me. Why are you collecting the soil? Huh? Would you water the plant today?
Yes.
And what would you do with the soil?
Soil mine.
Yeah?
I seed, then I
Yeah?
I seed, fill, and water give.
Yeah?
Then this big tree.
Oh, you will put this soil onto the root of the tree, right?
Yes.
Okay, so right. Now where are you going?
No.
Yeah, we see here a few lemon plants, guava trees, brinjal trees, and chili trees, some vegetables. They are small now. Maybe within a month they would be bigger. And still we have lots of empty tubs and
Eat.
huh?
Eat.
Okay. See, birds are chirping here. Do you think they have come to see you? They want to talk to you?
He eat
Sorry?
He eat tree.
Oh, therefore he came here to eat the plants, right?
Yes.
Okay, so right. So what are you gonna do now? Okay, that's a great habit. I don't know how it happens, but he wakes up earlier every morning to come here, and he.
This is
Huh?
my project.
This is your project.
Yes.
Okay. What kind of project is that?
This is mud and this water, dip and seed fell, and then this tree,
Yeah.
lemon tree,
Yeah.
not tomato tree,
Okay, so right.
watermelon tree.
Watermelon? Where?
Tree.
Oh,
Watermelon tree.
you will plant the watermelon tree.
Yes.
Okay, so right. And any more
This
trees?
big watermelon.
Oh, a big watermelon will be there produced. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so right. And what is next? Are we gonna go home now?
I did water.
Then we'll go back home, okay? And you will let me sleep, right?
Yes.
Okay, so right. Are you sure? After mixing the water with that you will.
I give water, then
Yeah.
muddy, then water, then muddy water.
Okay, then the soil will be mixed with the water and you will mix the fertilizer, right? Then you will serve it, okay?
Yes.
Then we'll be back home, right? And you will let me sleep, right?
Yes.
Okay, good luck. Promise?
Promise.
Okay.